Next, find the missing term. Means here 3x upon 4 minus 4y upon 3 the whole square equals to 9x square upon 16 plus 16y square upon 9 plus what? Now if you check this, what is this? Just always look for the hints in the problem itself. 9x square upon 16 is the square of this 3x upon 4. 16y square upon 9 is the square of this 4y upon 3. Okay, so you should be using which formula? A minus b the whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. That is, you can write it a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so use that. This becomes a square means 9x square upon 4 plus 16y square upon 9 minus 2ab. 2 into 3x upon 4 into 4y upon 3. Right? So solve this. What will you get? See this. This remains as it is. Only check this minus part. Minus 2, 4 gets cancelled, 3 gets cancelled. So 2xy. That is the required answer. 9x square upon 4 plus 16y square upon 9 minus 2xy.